Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela Uba Preston Tensong Ubalang Ruha Kaju Kapor Menteri Badai Pej Katanan PWD Mentakas ngi ke arp kendai Tarik ukala lingkot arajar arpusau Ulalum ki officer jong katanan nakabenta banyak tai halor kajing pentrai ki surok lingba ka skim Pmgsy. Habakren bagi dong tok kubor hadin kajing yalang nakaliang Uba Preston Tensong ulong kumba Pyndep bagi dan lai teli ki skim Pmgsy kata ke Pmgsy ke benengkong ke baar bat ke balai. Bat ke jingnya keren mentah kasngi ke halor ke Pmgsy ke benengkong bat ke baar. Namar baka Sorkar India kalabu ya katong. Baka Sorkar jela ke deban Pyndep hapo ke arp Tarik Lber arajar arpusau. Bat snokumen ban Pyndep bawatlah ke Sorkar jela kampat kenjo asya kata katong. Balabu da katenat ru Henry kum ke Sorkar kadon ke jingkermen batang hagi ni gibenai kim banwan anla ban Pyndep no shispa na ke shispa na ke bentaban pentrei ke skim Pmgsy ke beningkong bat ke baar. Shishu ulia thoru bah kile keren halor ke jing pentrei kam ye ke Pmgsy ke balai bat ke jingtrei ya ke ni ke skim ru kala yat shat. Laj no ke Pmgsy kidon ki wairu ki skim ki baka Sorkar kala yo na ki waipan bat ka thong jong ke Sorkar kalong ban penpoi surok shaman la ki jaka jong kishnong ki thau. Ula ongru baka Sorkar kala Sdang sa kawaipat ka mission kata ka CM connectivity ha ka baka Sorkar ka kwa ban yui bagi to kishnong ki bam don ka surok kin thaulat ban penpoi surok shaki.
A review meeting on the implementation of Pmgsy. Number one, as you all know, we have three Pmgsy. Number one is Pmgsy 1, Pmgsy 2 and Pmgsy 3. So my review meeting today is about the completion of the Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2 because the government of India has already set the target that we need to complete it within 31st March 2024. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that only maybe few projects which is very critical, we are still yet to reach to the target point as indicated by the ministry. But however, I'm very sure within these few months left, we'll be able to complete it 100% with the implementation of Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2. Then point number 2, I also reviewed about the implementation of Pmgsy 3, and Pmgsy 3 is working well, and I'm very sure again because as I said to you, the target is only for the Pmgsy 1 and 2, and Pmgsy 3 still we have space and the work is on, and some contractors has already completed and then some of them they are yet to start. So these are the issues where we discussed today.
What is the total length under Pmgsy 1 and 2 and how many villages are
Well, see,
benefited?
Pmgsy 1 and 2, we have, in fact, I don't have much record because see, Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2, it was being covered by the census, and that census started from 2000, right from 2003, 2004, 2005, when Pmgsy 1 just started, just launched in the whole nation, where the villages which is yet to be connected, the mission of the government that time was to reach out to all the unconnected villages. So I don't have the detail of how many kilometers exactly, and this is the Pmgsy 1 and Pmgsy 2. And with regards to Pmgsy 3, Pmgsy 3 is only for upgradation and recarpeting of the existing state road, and this one the target is for 1,250 kilometers.
Well, sir, we have
See, I think you need to understand one thing. We can't do it in one day itself. As you all know, we have huge backlog for road sector. And number one, apart from the Pmgsy, again we have CRF, we have NESITs, then we have this NABARD scheme and all. We are catching up to reach up to the zero level for road connectivity, and that is the mission of the government from 2018 till today. I think the investment we made as far as road connectivity is concerned, is not less than 10,000 crores. Can you imagine? It's not less than 10,000 crores. And now this current financial year, we introduce one more mission, and that is CM connectivity, where we would like to see that those villages which is totally unconnected, we will create connectivity even in these villages, and we are committed to that.
How many such villages are there?
See, right now the only issue is we can't say exactly how many, because as I said to you, as per the census, we do have about maybe 250 to 300 villages. But now you need to understand one thing: the villages keep increasing. After 4 years, 5 years, that sometimes those villages which was treated as census villages, they come out and then have another village. So it keep increasing day by day, where the villages, extra villages are also coming up. So I'll not be able to tell you exactly, but as of now, as per the census, the previous census is about 250 to 300 villages, which is still not connected. Quality, I'm telling you, the day one itself, when I took over as minister in charge, the mechanism is already in place to improve the quality, and I've instructed up to the junior engineer level that you cannot compromise as far as quality is concerned. But you see, again, there are 3-4 categories. One is when we talk about the national highway standard, specification is separate. Then when you go for state highway standard, again specification is separate. And when you go to major district road standard, again this specification is separate. So I don't have time much to explain about it. But in general, I really wanted to make sure that the quality is maintained at all cost. So I'm happy to tell you that now package 1 and package 2 and package 4 work order has been issued. Package 1, in fact, Government of India under NHICL, they already started resume the work. Then package 2, again, final work order has been issued, and now the machinery is being brought, and very soon they will start, as well as package 4. And in package 4, again, right now, final work order has been issued, and a few more official documents has to be done between the contractor, the company, and the NHICL. So I'm happy to tell you that very soon, all these 3 packages, the work will resume. Mula de batai nga OMP ba menta nakaliang jong komen ngil IT sekena CSDL menta kitang examine kitang test ya soil test bat kini kita narosdong bangin lagi upstream Krishna ke ciking bakal kata ke ciking bat kata sokan mi ha katuka industrial estate lembah jong ke industrial estate kat pelong ya ka bypass jong kanika ciking
Meeting.
No, that time I've told you, I think CM nowadays is still busy. Then CM will share a meeting. He'll call all the stakeholders how to go.